Alright guys, so to remove dark under eye, you're going to be needing to use honey. Okay, honey is a mild remedy for the skin. It helps to moisturize the skin. It helps treat acne. Honey is a natural antibacterial, so it is great for acne treatment and prevention. It is full with antioxidants. It's great in slowing down aging, and it boosts the complexion. So it's going to lift up the darkness under the eye. Potato hydrates the skin. Potato is high in vitamin C, which is very beneficial for rejuvenating the skin, and it also helps to prevent aging, reduces wrinkles, and also as well as fine lines. So it will help in getting rid of darkness under the eye, pigments, and also dark circles. Alright, so the next ingredient we're going to be making use of is going to be aloe vera. Okay, so now in this remedy you can either use this aloe vera, the processed one that I have here, or you can use the fresh aloe vera, which I have here also, but I'm going to be using this one because we are working under the eye, so we're going to need something very soft and really mild. Okay, but the two of them are so soft, but I'm going to be using this particular one. Okay, so to make that even better, we're going to also be needing vitamin E oil, okay, or vitamin E capsule. So anyone you can lay your hand on, guys, you can actually use it. Okay, it's actually very okay. Vitamin E oil help reduce the appearances of scars, free radicals, and it also contains vitamin E that diminishes permanent scars. Guys, the first one we're going to be preparing it with honey, and the second one we're going to be preparing it with aloe vera and vitamin E oil. Alright, to start, I'm going to prepare the potato. Okay, so we can now I will have to be cutting it in pieces. Okay, let's blend it. Into the bowl. We don't need too much of that though, because we're actually applying that at the eye area. Remove some of the lumps that actually didn't blend very well. Okay, now to make this better, we're going to be putting in the honey, and we're going to be putting in 1 tablespoon of honey. Alright, so this is how it looks like. Really nice, like I love it so much. Okay, so after that, let's stir it all up, mix it all up, and this is gonna be so super duper nice. Alright guys, so for this particular treatment, you can even apply it every day for the space of 2 weeks, and darkness under the eye, the puffiness, is gonna go down. But before you apply this, you have to refrigerate it, like put it inside the refrigerator. Okay, so the second one, we're going to be pumping out 1 full tablespoon of aloe vera. You can either use the other aloe vera. Okay, so 1 full tablespoon is okay, and then we'll have to be putting in some drops, which is going to be like half teaspoon of vitamin E oil, and then we would stir. Okay, so stir this all up. And friendly. Okay, so for this particular ingredient, guys, it is actually very mild enough for you to use it every day for the space of 2 weeks. Now it's still the same thing like the first one. Now before you continually use it, you have to use it for like 3 days to see if it suits your skin type. Okay, alright, so if it's gonna be suitable, you're going to notice it's going to be very mild. It's not going to be harmful or whatsoever. Okay, so let me go illustrate this and show you guys how effective this is going to be. So here is the first ingredient, which is the honey and the potato, and this is the second one. And alright guys, so here's the dark under eye treatments, and this is the potato and honey. Okay, and now we're going to be using a small brush. So what you do is to apply it at those places where you tend to experience the darkness. This is actually a very mild and gentle treatment. Okay, so you can leave it there for some while and it to be very effective. Okay guys, so before you apply this, remember to dab your face with water, especially your under eye area. Okay, remember to dab it all up with water. Okay, so that it will be easy for the product to just get into your eye. Get into your skin, your under eye skin. Okay. Alright, so for this other second treatment, which is aloe vera and vitamin E, I'm going to be applying it in this other eye. Okay, now the thing is that any of these ones you want, you can actually use any one. So it's just a 2 ingredient remedy. Okay, how you apply this under your eye like that. So you can choose one and apply. Just 2 ingredients remedy. This one is actually very soft, mild, gentle. Okay, and the other one too, very soft. You can choose to apply it like a cream, like a lotion. Okay, just a little on the eye, and then you massage. Okay, just a little, not scrub. You massage it in so that the treatment can touch everywhere. Now if you're applying it much like what I'm doing right now, you would have to clean the excess off. But if you apply just a little, you just leave it there and then you go to sleep with it, and it's just going to help you so much. Firm up your skin, tighten it up, and move the darkness under your eye. For this one, you can leave of this wonderful ingredient, settle into your eyes, just make it work, and the next day you're going to see a great improvement. But nonetheless, any of this, be it the potato and honey, the aloe vera and vitamin E, you can either choose between the two of them. You can either test the two and see which one would work so well for you and on your skin. Remember, under eye area is very delicate, soft and very gentle. Okay, so do not bruise your skin. Alright, but if none of them work for you, there are other remedies or ingredients that I've been posting and that I'll still post, so you might use that one. Okay, so after that, then you have to wash this one off, okay, and apply a lotion. Apply coconut oil or vitamin E, and then for this one you do not need to apply anything because it's actually a lotion already. Okay, so that's it, and let's go wash this off. Make this like rub all over my face, and I'll see you again.